Alright, so here with standout defender Shane Mcintosh from Tivoli Gardens High School. First of all, I will see you nurse injury. Everything alright?
I look at ACL injury. Level 1, so yeah, it's physio just some can ice and play.
Alright, I see that you're a marshal in the back line for your team. You have such composure, good on the ball. You know, is this your first time in the Manning Cup?
Second season, but last year come in the season late. Come play Walker Cup at Barbican playing Super League, so end up come late.
Alright, talk to me about your team. Tivoli Gardens is like a good team, an improved team from last year from a Walker Cup win. What can we expect from this team and how good are you guys?
Well, we just have to go back to the joining board and come again and work to go the second round, and then we'll take it from there.
Alright, this JC team, you know, the champions, it was never going to be an easy match tonight. What did you guys see from JC tonight that ultimately you made it a hard match for you?
Well, I'm just fit and more consistent than Tivoli players, so we have to go back to the giant board and come again.
Alright, good game Shane, and I hope you have a good season, alright? Yeah man, big up.